Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of IncentiFind's easy three-step process for homeowners looking for incentives. Search, apply, and save. Let's get started. On our homepage, a homeowner can click this button to open up this short form. They would enter their address as well as the square footage of their home to start a quick summary. Note, if you are not logged in, there are a couple other fields you'd have to enter. The quick summary is kind of like a free sample of a verify report. It's a snapshot of incentives that your home qualifies for. So we found 147 incentives for this home. Let's generate the full report. By clicking this button, you'll be prompted to enter your credit card information and go to the full report. Once you open the full report, you can see all of the incentives that are applicable to your home. You can see different filters that can narrow down the selection of incentives. You can also star certain incentives if you want to see just favorites, and you can click on incentive programs to see additional details. If you'd like to go ahead and install some of the products that are in the incentives, you can click this Get Connected button to get connected with various partners that we have that can help you find professional installers and other contractors for your project. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for much more.